In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Obsidian. First, head to the official Obsidian website. This is where you'll find the desktop app, and it's the best place to download a clean, up-to-date installer. On the homepage, look for the download option and click Get Obsidian for Windows. That will start the download of the Windows installer. When it finishes, open the installer and follow the prompts. It's a standard installation, so just accept the terms and choose the default options unless you have a specific preference. After installing, launch the app. You'll land on Obsidian's welcome screen. Obsidian organizes your notes in something called a vault, which is simply a folder on your computer where all your notes and settings live together. Click on Folder to pick a folder you want to use as your vault. If you don't have one yet, it's a good idea to create a dedicated folder in your documents so everything stays organized and easy to back up. Once your vault is ready, create your first note by clicking New Notes. A blank note opens in the editor. Type a title at the top and start writing. Obsidian uses Markdown, a lightweight formatting system, so you can add headers with number signs, make lists with dashes, and create quick links between notes using double square brackets. Don't worry if Markdown is new to you. Obsidian shows the formatted text as you write, and you'll get comfortable with it quickly. Next, look to the bottom left corner and click the Settings gear icon. This is your control center for themes, hotkeys, file behavior, and more. For now, we'll focus on extending Obsidian with add-ons. In the sidebar, click Community Plugins. If you see a prompt about third-party plugins, review it and proceed only if you're comfortable. Community plugins are optional extras built by others to supercharge your workflow. Always install from trusted sources. Click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. Here, you can search for the tools you need, anything from task management to calendars, daily notes helpers, and powerful editors. Use the search bar to explore and open a plugins page to read its description, check ratings, and see when it was last updated. This helps you choose reliable options that fit your style. That's it. You've downloaded Obsidian, created a vault from a folder, started a new note, and learned where to find community plugins. Take a few minutes to write a first note, try linking it to a second note, and then explore plugins that match your goals. With this foundation, you're ready to turn Obsidian into a flexible, personalized knowledge base.